show them interest. I say, yo, brother, who them money? Is it me? I mean, I say, what is?
You like me and tell them, girl. Is it? Me not cut off girl, you know. Man, people go out Man U bar. Wicked. You want to see it?
Let's go! What a goal!
Square the ball.
Martinelli.
Martinelli.
The whole England is red.
Oh, you feel?
Where's the noise? It's there?
Guys.
Gunners, life.
Where's Aaron?
Look at it, look at it. Look at Wan-Bissaka. Where's Wan-Bissaka? Trash.
He's on the other side.
Trash. And he's a right back. Where he is? Trash.
A good goal. A good fucking goal.
Well on, people. It's been one of them days, isn't it? I'm eating humble pie at the moment. I sang lyrically how Manchester United will beat Arsenal, and that didn't happen today. As you guys saw just now, it was a game that shows you the differences in football game this year, this period. It shows you how well Manchester United defend in spurts and how badly Manchester United defended in spurts. It showed you just how well Arsenal's attack is lean in terms of their effectiveness. It showed you how well we can score in different types of goals. That goal from Arsenal, from Rashford, superb. That goal from Licha, absolutely superb. Grab the chances, boom, not the net. And then the mistakes that Manchester United made caused us the goals. That first goal that, Edin Ketia scored, there's no way that man should be dead in the back post like that. Wan-Bissaka should be ready for that. Should not be a goal. Just mistake after mistake that caused us a goal. But Arsenal, you played well. You deserve those points. You deserve to be 11 points ahead of Manchester United. You deserve to be at top of the league. I hope you guys win it. I really do hope you guys win it. Hope you guys fight till the end, because I don't want Man City to win. I really don't want Man City to win. It was a very good game. A game of a couple halves. Arsenal held the ball, which is what they always do. It's just we didn't capitalize on chances that we had, and it's just what it is. Big up yourself, Delhi. Big up yourself, Scully. Big up yourself, Osla. Big up yourself, Mamadou. You guys deserve the win. You guys deserve to be champions, and you are doing so. You're doing where you're playing like champions. I want you to win the league. I don't want you I don't want Man City to win the league. So hey, listen, keep going, fam. Keep going. You don't have to play Manchester United anymore. I did have. All I could say prior to today was that Manchester United was the only team that beat you. Well, you fixed that. You fixed that. So good luck on that. Good luck on the championship this year. Manchester United will continue to fight for top 4. We are 4th place right now. Let's focus on that. Just one of those days, fam. It is just one of those days. Remember to drop a like on video, subscribe if you're brand new. It's just one of those days, people. But all in all, Manchester United can be proud of the performance that we put today. But barring the little excuses, we did a great job. Looking forward to the next round. Looking forward to the Carling Cup, going to the final. Looking forward to the FA Cup, going to the next round. And then back into the Premier League again. But best of yourself, people. Best of yourself, best of others. Make sure you drop a like on video, subscribe if you're brand new. Manaz.